On the valve cover, you have your engine identification sticker. On the sticker itself, you have your barcode that helps in the manufacturer process of the engine, parts identification, and engine code. At the top right of my video, you have your throttle body. Please note, in a diesel engine, the accelerator does not control the throttle body. Located at the bottom of my video, you have your engine mount bracket. To the left of the bracket, you have your engine mount itself. Located at the bottom of my video, you have your expansion tank supply line that goes to the engine. To the left of my video, you have your expansion tank. On the tank itself, you have your pressure cap and expansion line. Behind the pressure cap, you have your vehicle identification number. Located to the right of the expansion tank supply line, you have your two pipes that have your two dust covers for your air conditioning recharge points. Also in this area, you have your hexagonal screws, external Torx bolts, and pipe that goes from your intercooler to your throttle body. In this area at the front of the car, you have the rear of the headlight. In the center of my video, you have your engine cover. If the engine cover was removed, you would see components like your fuel injectors, fuel lines, and other components. The engine cover also has a cutout for your oil filler cap. To the top left of my video, you have your electric motor assembly for your electronic throttle body. To the top right of my video, you have your air filter. You have your heat shield that covers your turbo turbine housing and emission control system. On the heat shield itself, you have a hole for a sensor that is part of your emission control system. To the left of the sensor, you have your pipe that goes to the inlet of the intercooler. To the right of the pipe, you have your dipstick. Going from the left and going all the way to the right of my video, you have your slam panel. In the center of the panel, you have your cutout for your bonnet latch system. Behind the radiator assembly, you have your turbo compressor housing, your pipe that goes from your air filter, and last, your crankcase breather pipe. To the left of the mass airflow sensor wire, you have your vacuum pump. At the rear right of the engine compartment, you have your brake booster. Located further right, you have your brake fluid tank. Below the tank, you have your master cylinder. Located at the bottom center of my video, you have your negative post. Connecting to the post, you have your negative terminal. The terminal connects to a cable that connects to your chassis. In front of the brake fluid tank, you have your engine control unit. On the ECU itself, you have your electrical connectors and wiring harnesses. Located to the right of the engine control unit, you have your 12-volt battery. On the battery itself, you have your foldable battery handles, warning sticker, battery technical data sticker, and your quick release terminal. Located in this location to the bottom left of my video, you have your air intake pipe. At the bottom of the engine compartment, you have your flex pipe and gearbox. At the bottom of my video, you have your tripod, constant velocity joint, and drive shaft. Located to the right of the battery, you have your fuse box. Thank you very much for watching my video, and goodbye.